Copyai writing tool pricing explained what you get for your money. Copyai is a versatile writing tool, but how much does it cost and what exactly do you get? Many people think it's just for short-form content, but Copyai can handle blogs, emails, social media, and even brainstorming ideas. Copyai offers two main plans. The free plan is perfect for beginners, allowing unlimited projects but limiting you to 20 words per month. You can create social media posts at copy and simple emails, which is ideal if you're testing a writing without committing financially. The Pro plan starts at per month and provides unlimited words and projects. It also unlocks advanced features like long-form content generation, team collaboration, and priority support. With Pro, you can write full blog posts, email sequences, and marketing campaigns with ease. Copyai also includes over 90 templates for different use cases, including product descriptions, Facebook ads, and startup pitch decks. The surprising truth is that even small teams can create professional quality content in minutes, drastically reducing the time spent brainstorming and drafting. Additionally, Copyai integrates with other tools and platforms, allowing for smooth workflow automation. This is especially helpful for agencies or marketers managing multiple campaigns at once. In summary, Copyai pricing scales with the type of user you are. Free works for beginners and experimentation, while Pro unlocks unlimited content and advanced features for professionals. Understanding your content volume and workflow needs ensures you choose the plan that gives the most value. If your goal is to save time, produce high-quality content consistently, and streamline your marketing process, Copyai provides a simple yet powerful solution.